How to install a dash cam without having your wires exposed. So first, let's just take a look at the root of the hidden wiring of the dash cam installation. I will be using a trim removal tool, which you can find on Amazon, to help feed the wire from the trim of the car without damaging it. So first you want to mount the camera on your windscreen, which is nice and discreet. I've placed the camera behind the mirror. I do have a toll sticker there, so just be mindful if you have anything like that to put it to one side and test your camera out before. Next, I feed the wire along the headline, and I just literally tuck this up with my finger and pushed it in. If there's a gap in the top and your wire dangles, a little tip you can do is take some tissue, wrap it around the wire, thus making it a little bit bigger, and then you're able to tuck it in without it falling down. Come to the side piece, I was able just to again poke the wire through without having to remove it. If you do, make sure you're careful. Next is the door trim, and you literally open it up with a tool and run the wire down to the foot pedal area. This is the before and this is the after. So with this next section, I literally just tucked the wire behind it without sticking anything down. If you get rid of the slack, it shouldn't fall down, but if you need to, you can stick it down. So this last section, I didn't want to remove any plastic to feed the wire, so I literally just ran up to the side and over the top. And if you have any excess wiring, you can just loop it up and you're at your USB, you plug it in and you're done. And finally, just taking one final look at the completed job. That wire you can just push in. The vehicle I was using is a 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz, if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody.